Check this out. The video that you're watching now was created using Freepik, using start and end frames. It starts with an image of myself. I regenerated new images using a mixture of Nana Banana and Sea Dance, and I managed to string these clips together back to back using the start and end frames of Kling to create a somewhat consistent look and feel, all starting from a single image. Now, traditionally, when you use a tool like Freepik to create this, it can be a little bit of a tedious process because you have to bring in your image, you have to select the model, you have to generate, wait for it to generate, then drag it into the video part of the tool, and then start iterating it there. But now Freepik have launched a brand new feature to make this a lot more fluid and a lot more visual. This is I want to introduce to you Freepik Spaces. This is a big blank infinite canvas where you are able to use nodes, a node-like workflow, to generate workflows on a specific task that you're trying to do. So to make that kind of video with start and end frames, you can also bring in your own media. I brought in my own photo and placed it onto the canvas here. And then I actually created some different nodes here to get some ideas of how I want to reprompt it to get different angles of the image. One of the best nodes you can add is this assistant node, which uses GPT to analyze your images, and you can prompt it to give you a different result. In this case, I wanted it to come up with 4 different prompts for another banana or sea dance type image modifier, so I could use that directly in the canvas. I was able to split up the 4 prompts it gave me using other assistant nodes there before finally bringing those results into the image node step, where I used my original image plus the prompt that was done by GPT to create brand new visuals using Sea Dance or Nana Banana. I like to play around between them because you can kind of see which result is best. And the cool thing is you can do both of these directly on the canvas as well and select what works best for you. So the final step here is once you have the images that you like, you can now bring them into a video node and you can actually select all the different video models here. I like using Kling for start and end as it's quite fluid and smooth with it. And you can just attach those images one by one for start and end frame, and you can build from there. So the first start and end frame begins, and then for the second video, the end frame of the first one becomes the start of the second one, and so forth as you go through. You can keep ideating here. You can do different poses, you can do different environments, and keep testing out different workflows. But the cool thing is this is just one way to do this. You can actually create and design and use these spaces in Freepik with what works for you. In my case, I wanted the ability to upload a single image and quickly get different angles, which I can put together in a video. But you can also do this for products, product consistency, character consistency as well. And you can actually see that process step by step instead of the old way, which was just a linear timeline. Freepik Spaces is awesome. I've had a lot of fun trying it out. Some of these workflows can get even more complex, so I definitely recommend going in, checking out all the templates that are there, and then building some workflows of your own.